Mommy says that there might be one more.
Did you say hi to the bunny family? Do you see the bunny family, Lily? Daddy, can you show her where the bunny family is?
Look at the bunny family here. I wonder if they have an egg.
Where's the bunny family? Do you want to go say hi to the bunnies?
Look, I think that's an egg right there.
Is there an egg with the bunnies? Lily,
Look.
do you see the bunny's feet?
What's down there by the bunnies? Is that another egg? I think it is.
Hooray!
Yay! The egg in the basket?
Oh, let's go outside and see if there are more.
I bet you that there are more outside.